All right, guys, here we are for video number 2 of building the your disc detainer lock. I'm here with the lock-picking lawyer again, the destructive duo. I'm basing that on how much metal we chewed up yesterday.
We destroyed some metal. There's no two ways about that.
Okay, so we learned a little lesson here, and that lesson is, when we talked about, we built the body of the lock in the first video, or the body of the pick, and the second video, we're going to build the cap to apply the tension to the pick that's of course going to go through here. We decided to put some thought into this before we actually started machining, right? I mean,
that's crazy. Let's just start cutting metal.
All right, it's a proven system. It's not much, but it's all we got. All right, today we're going to head down to the lab. We're going to machine the cap for this tool and keep it nice and snug on there. We don't want any flopping around. A little bit of a challenge, but I think once we get a little bit of lube on this thing, that'll really slick this thing up. No ball bearings required in this system, right?
I don't think so. I think this will operate really smoothly the way we designed it.
We're going to find out. Besides,
now let's see what we build, if it's anything like the design.
I got a pocket full of ball bearings if we need them. Don't worry about it.
Ball bearings, JB Weld, duct tape.
All right, we'll
get this together.
Guys, we'll be back.
Okay guys, we are back from doing some machining, and as you can see, this turned out similar but not quite the same as Bill's drawing. Guys, this drawing, we gotta give that guy some art classes. He's in the bathroom right now, so he can't hear me.
I can hear you.
We still need to give you art classes. So here's what we did. We made a little cap. It fits nicely over the center section of the pick. Just a little bit of play so it doesn't rub too tightly. We made some knurling on the outside. That should give us a nice grip while we are manipulating those discs. We also put a hole in the top, and on either side of it, let me get closer so you can see that. On either side of it, we put some set screws so that will hold the picking tip in securely. So I'm pretty happy with the way that turned out. How about you, Bill?
I am more than pretty happy. I think this came out really better than I thought it was going to. This really does fit very nicely on there. I mean, at this point, we can almost stick the wire in there, clamp it down, almost start picking, but a couple more pieces we need to work on here.
And you were mentioning we have to go the extra mile when we do this, make everything look pretty. We made some pretty nice chamfers on everything. I think they turned out nicely.
So did the knurling. I mean, it came out really... A lot of times knurling comes out, it mashes the metal and misforms it. I think on brass sometimes it's a little bit easier to get good knurling.
I think we got lucky. There's no two ways about that.
Oh, well, that's the story of my life, man. What are you talking about? All right, what do you want to do next? What part do you want to...
Okay, we're going straight down the body of the pick. How about we build that tensioning nose?
You want to
that
build the
will fit
nose? You want to
into
build the
here?
hard part next? Because we can't make that out of brass.
No. But let's talk about that the next video. We'll give this some thought.
Uh-huh. Another day?
Another day.
You need to restock, man. All right.
I need some more whiskey.
I'll be back tomorrow.
LockLab, where the fun begins.